I published Excel and Power Query challenges on LinkedIn. I have already posted 45 challenges. Many experts shared their solution to those challenges. Now I have decided to make a series of videos on solution to each challenge to help you learn. So that whenever you have this kind of case in your workplace, you can easily solve. In today's video, I'll talk about the solution to my first challenge. You will find the link of my LinkedIn post in the description, and in the post, you will also have the practice file link. In this series, I will show you how to solve the problem with Excel 365 dynamic array formulas. And in the next series, I will talk about Power Query. So let's get started. At the beginning, let me explain the problem of this challenge for better understanding. I have a grid with a bunch of columns, and I want to create this table from this grid. The first column is loan type in this grid, and under this loan type, I have value lease, loan, and CC. And the second column contains the value 5, 6, and 1. The third to fifth column contains the OD bucket, the overdue bucket. The third column contains the OD bucket 1 to 2, and the fourth column contains the OD bucket 3 to 4, and the fifth column contains the OD bucket 5 to 6. Under each bucket, there are status for each loan type and term. For example, the first status is UC under the bucket 1 to 2 OD for the loan type lease and the term 5. And there are also many other status for each loan type and term. And I want to create this kind of table from this grid. As the status are across the columns, I want to transform them in each separate rows. I also want to extract the first value of each bucket and keep them in each separate row. To extract the first value of each bucket, I will use the Textbefore function. Textbefore. The first argument is text, which will be my bucket range, comma, and the delimiter will be hyphen. I'll close the bracket and press enter. Now I have the value of each bucket. Now I will join the loan type with this number. So I will select the range, the loan type range, and I will use ampersand sign to join them. If I press enter, now you can see I have the loan type with each value. So I will use a separator to make them separated. So I will use any kind of separator. I will use the pipe here. So I will write the pipe in the inverted comma. I will use ampersand sign again. I will press enter. Now I have two values separated by pipe in each row. Now I will also add the term by using and sign, the ampersand sign. I will also use the same kind of separator, the pipe. I will keep them in the inverted comma. I will use the and sign again and press enter. Now I have three values in each row separated by pipe. Now I will add the status again by using the ampersand sign. I will select the range. Before I have to use the pipe sign again, I will use the ampersand again. I will press enter. Now you can see total I have 4 values in each row separated by pipe. Now I will transform the value to keep them in a single column. So I will use Tocol function. I will just close the bracket and press enter. Now I have the value in a single column. So I have to split each value in separate column by using the TextSplit function. So I will use TextSplit. The column delimiter will be pipe. I will close the bracket and press enter. But the problem is the TextSplit function returns the first value. I have to use Textjoin function to add a new delimiter for the row delimiter argument in the TextSplit function, and TextJoin function will join all the values in this array. So I will use TextJoin. The delimiter will be slash. I can use any kind of delimiter except the pipe delimiter. The next argument is ignore empty, which I will skip. And the third argument is text. I have already the text. So I will close the TextJoin function. Now, in the row argument in TextSplit function, I will write the slash. So I will press enter. Now you can see I have my expected result. But I have to add the header. So I will use vStack function. As I have to create the header manually, so I will create the array by using the curly bracket. I will write all the values in this curly bracket. The first value is loan type. The second value is term. The third value is OD, and the fourth value is status. I will close the array, comma, and the second argument of vStep function, I have already the second array, so I will just close the vStep function and press enter. Now you can see I have my expected result with the adding of header. I hope you found this solution helpful. There are many other solutions shared by experts. You will find the solution in my LinkedIn post. I will be back with the next video soon. See you then, and thank you for watching this video.